What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have two dividend stocks to compare. I'm going to kind of do a speed run. I'm going to be at work tomorrow, but you guys were asking me GLPI versus VICI Properties. These guys have consistent dividend increases. I'm going to go over a dividend stock analysis and stock analysis on both of these. And I'm going to tell you which one I believe is better. And there's going to be some surprises. And there's one that I really like and one I don't like. So I'm going to just do a quick dividend stock analysis comparing these guys. I'm going to show you their revenue real quick. So let's check this out right now. That first stock is Gaming and Leisure Properties. It's sitting at 46.33, has a dividend yield of 5.78%, a PE ratio 18.30. I will do a more detailed review on these guys in the future. A lot of you guys have requested that for me, but you guys said which one do you like better, this one or this one. And again, this is not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only, disclaimer in the description. But I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to show you the dividend trends with which one I believe is better, and I'll tell you why. So the market cap is 11.11 billion US dollars. Its year range is 3908 to 5146. Go figure. It's an entertainment property pretty much. Its day range is 45.68 to 46.56, and its previous close was 46.62. So these guys are a very interesting stock. I'm going to go over their revenue real quick and their dividend history. There's some surprises with this one. So GLPI is a symbol, and here's the revenue. It's fantastic, actually. 591, 575, 828, 971, 1055. 1,153 and then another 1,153. So it's been pretty good, during the pandemic. And then 2021, we'll see what the results are overall with their revenue. But there's a few things that quirk me a little bit. So here's the thing about these guys. 2015, 54 cents and 56 cents and 60, and then 62, 63, 68, 70 cents. Then it dropped down to 60, then 65. Then 67, then you have a specialized dividend of 24 cents. So that's still attractive. So they're sitting at 46.33 with a PE ratio of 18.53, a dividend yield of 5.75%, annualized dividend of 268. It's actually a very attractive dividend stock. That's the thing that quirks me a little bit, is a decrease in dividend. But again, you can play the pandemic card. You saw the increase in the revenue and the revenue trends. That looks very attractive. And they're pretty much probably protecting themselves. Again, this is not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only, disclaimer in the description, but they're entertainment properties. So that's kind of a given to see, a decrease in price per share and decrease in revenue for a pandemic. Let's jump to VICI. So I have done previous videos on VICI Properties. It's sitting at 28.71. It has a dividend yield of 5.02%, a PE ratio of 15.52, a volume of 5.81 million US dollars. Market cap is 17.96 billion US dollars. Year range is 24.74 to 33.35. Day range is 28.17 to 28.77. I'm trying to do this with COVID pretty much. And at the one point it was at 13.78, right? No, 12.31 when the pandemic hit. So kudos to you if you got those guys. They're slowly making a comeback, but their revenue is not too bad at all. So look at this revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 187, 897, 894, 1,225. This is during a pandemic. So they are doing exceptional with their revenue, which is very attractive to me. They're a little bit bigger than Gaming and Leisure Properties, so they have a little bit more of stability. And again, I'm not giving financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. But there's one thing that these guys or above, or sets them above GLPI. So I'll go over that with the dividend history. Here it is. 28.16, 16 cents, 26, 28, 29, 33, 36. They have a dividend yield of 5.04%, a PE ratio of 15.52, an annualized dividend of 144. And it's sitting at 28.70. So one, it's cheaper, and I like the dividend hikes and the rate that they're doing. So I like VICI because of the price. I think they're way undervalued, and I'm buying these guys, especially when the dip happens. I have them in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. GLPI is still not a bad real estate investment trust. It is a very popular one. There's nothing wrong with that. That's still on my radar. Could I add that in the future? Potentially, but I'm sticking with VICI Properties, and I like these guys a lot better. So let me know what you guys think of these two stocks. This is kind of a stock battle between the Real Estate Investment Trust. So let me know what you think. Do you like VICI or GLPI better? I'm going to be at work, so feel free to comment on the video, and I'll get back to you later that night. So you guys take care and have a good one.